Now that you've installed the MyBib extension, we are now going to use that to cite credible sources. And so I have found a thing on ancient Mesopotamia that I'm going to use it as an example today. And we are going to use that to create a citation. So one of the things that we're going to do is remember, if your teacher asks you to do a research paper, or you need to let them know where you got your information. This is always important to cite your sources and let them know where you got your information. So I am here, and I am now going to my extensions bar, and I am going to look for my bib extension. If it's not here, remember, you click on your puzzle piece, and then you can make sure that the blue pin is blue. So I'm going to click on this one, and I am going to click on it, and it looks like this is overwhelming. And what do I do with this? It's very simple. The important thing here is it says MLA, and ours is the current one is MLL8. That's the citation method we're going to use. As you get older, there might be other requests to use a different citation method. Ours right now, we're going to use MLA8. The simple thing here to do is all I have to do is click on this arrow. Now, they do a couple of things for us in the citation. The first thing they do is they tell us right here, this source is credible. This is a good thing to know because they give it as a credible source. And then all I have to do is move my mouse over this, and it just says click to copy. I don't even have to do a copy paste. So I just copy this, and then I can paste it in my works cited document at the end of my research paper. So, when you have multiples, just make sure that you place it in alphabetical order from the first letter of the citation. So that is an easy way to copy that document. The other one is I decided that I also wanted to just highlight some things that are in this on this page. And so one of the things that's interesting on this one is usually a site will give you information. And I always like to say, okay, where are their sources? And where do they get their information from? So I clicked on sources here. And sources is down here at the bottom, and it tells us where they got their information from. And it's always sometimes good just to see where they got their information from. Then right below this they have the citation information. Sometimes it's at the bottom, and sometimes it's in other locations. So you have to be a little detective to find out where they have the citation sources. MyBib shortens it for us, so it makes it a little bit easier for us. I know frequently people like to use Wikipedia. Wikipedia is another resource that we can use, but we have to remember that if I use Wikipedia, I have to use at least two other resources that confirm the information that is, because Wikipedia is edited by anybody and everybody, and so sometimes information can be incorrect. So always get other information to back up what you find in Wikipedia. So a couple of things here. So I do the same thing in this one is I click on my bib extension generator. I remembered it says MLA. I just have to click on the arrow. And then this is interesting right here. This says this source is probably credible. If you ever see probably credible, you will always need to back up your information with other sites. And so that's really important. Same thing here. I just click to copy, and then I can paste it in my document and do that. So that is how you create citations using a MyBib citation generator. Good luck.